Have you ever walked into a narrow hallway that felt cramped, dark, or just plain boring? You might think the only solution is to make it wider, but that's not always the case. In this video, you'll see 7 different hallway designs, all with the same 1 meter width. Each one uses a different design tip to help the space look bigger without changing its size. Let's see which idea works best for your home. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Tip number 1. Hang a large mirror. If you like the look of large mirror, this is one of the easiest ways to make a narrow hallway feel bigger. Even though this hallway is only about 1 meter wide, placing a large mirror along one side reflects both the space and the light, so your eyes naturally think there's more room than there actually is. To make the most of your hallway, pair the mirror with a floating console and a few carefully chosen decorative pieces. It may seem like a small detail, but seeing more floor makes a narrow hallway feel less tight. Plus, placing the mirror opposite a nearby room's window acts like a magnet for natural sunshine, bouncing it right into those dark corners. It's also super handy for a quick outfit check before leaving. So, if you only have room for one feature, a large mirror is one of the best choices. Tip number 2. Mix molding and wallpaper. But if a large mirror isn't your style, you can also give your hallway more character with wall molding and wallpaper. Sometimes the walls just need a little more personality. Here, the lower half has wall molding, while the upper half uses a soft patterned wallpaper. The molding adds texture, while the wallpaper keeps the wall from looking too plain. Because both use light colors, the hallway still feels open instead of crowded. The nice thing is that the walls become the decoration, so you don't have to fill the space with lots of frames or shelves, just 1 or 2. But beyond looking good, the molding is actually highly practical. Hallways are high traffic zones, and that wood trim acts as a tough barrier against everyday scuff marks from shoes, bags, or pets constantly brushing past. Sometimes giving the walls a little attention is all it takes to make the hallway look so much better. Tip number 3. Layer your lighting. If your hallway feel a little dull, focus on the lighting instead. So instead of depending on just one ceiling light, try using light from different places. In this hallway, recessed downlights brighten the walkway, while LED cove lighting softly washes the ceiling with light. There's also a picture light above the artwork, making it stand out without adding more decorations. As you walk through the hallway, the wall sconces on each side of the artwork add a warm glow and naturally draw your attention toward the end of the hallway. Because the light is spread throughout the space, the hallway feels much more welcoming. You don't need dozens of fixtures either. Even combining 2 or 3 types of lighting can completely change how your hallway feels. Tip number 4. Paint with light colors. If you prefer something even simpler, the right wall color can make a big difference. Even though this hallway hasn't become any wider, it immediately feels more open because of its light color palette. Light colors reflect more light, so the whole hallway feels brighter and more spacious. The soft white walls work together with the large windows, allowing natural light to spread across the space. You'll also notice that the walls, ceiling, and doors all use similar light shades. Because there aren't any strong color changes, your eyes naturally travel from one end of the hallway to the other, making it feel longer. Just remember to choose the right paint finish. Since people are always walking through here, using an eggshell or satin finish instead of flat matte paint makes it incredibly easy to just wipe away random smudges. Tip number 5. Highlight the ceiling. If you're looking for something a little different, look up and focus on the ceiling. A simple ceiling feature can completely change how a narrow hallway feels. In this hallway, the wood slat ceiling naturally pulls your eyes toward the end of the space, making the hallway feel longer. The LED cove lighting softly highlights the ceiling, while the recessed pin lights provide just the right amount of light along the hallway, so the ceiling doesn't feel flat or heavy. The nice thing is that you don't need an expensive ceiling because this simple design can create the interesting effect. Plus, a slatted wood design naturally absorbs sound, helping to reduce the loud echoes that typically bounce down bare, hard-surfaced hallways. And sometimes, the ceiling is the missing detail that ties everything together. Tip number 6. Hang oversized artwork. If you enjoy decorating, here's another idea that works really well. Instead of filling your hallway with lots of small framed artworks, try using large pieces instead. In this hallway, the oversized artworks immediately becomes the center of attention. Your eyes naturally focus on the artwork instead of the narrow width. The picture lights above each piece also help turn the hallway into a small gallery. The nice thing is that fewer pieces actually make the space feel cleaner and less crowded. You still add personality without making the walls feel busy. And to maximize this tip, pick a painting that shows a landscape or distance. Art with visual depth acts almost like an extra window, making you feel like the hallway extends right into the canvas. So instead of decorating with more, decorate with bigger pieces. Tip number 7. Add soft curves. And if you want your hallway to feel a little softer, try adding more curved details. Take a look at this hallway. Instead of using only straight lines, it features arched openings, curved windows and doors, and even rounded details in the wall feature at the end of the hallway. These curves help soften the long and narrow hallway, making it feel less rigid and more comfortable to walk through. And repeating the curved shapes also creates a smoother visual flow from one end to the other. The warm LED lighting also highlights the curved wall feature, naturally drawing your eyes forward. Together, these curved details give the hallway a softer look, making the space feel less narrow and more enjoyable to walk through. So, even though every hallway was only about 1 meter wide, each one felt completely different. The only thing that changed was the design. Whether it's adding a large mirror, upgrading the lighting, choosing lighter colors, or trying any of the other ideas we shared. But you don't have to use all 7 tips either. Just choose the ones that fit your home, your budget, and your style. So, which hallway was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.